Meanwhile, the Law Society of Kenya wants the Constitutional and Human Rights Court to find President Uhuru Kenyatta in violation of the Constitution after failing to gazette Justice Mohamed Warsame as the Court of Appeal's elected member to the Judicial Service Commission months after he was unanimously endorsed to represent them at the commission. Justice Warsame is the only member to the JSC who is yet to be gazetted. The other three, including former Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Felix Koskei, are waiting in line to take oath, which the Chief Justice will not administer until all the members are ready to be sworn. Mijungu reports.
Justice Mohamed Warsame, a second-term member of the Judicial Service Commission, seems to be the one standing between a fully constituted Judicial Service Commission and the current stalemate over the decision of the Chief Justice to suspend the swearing-in of the other four. Justice Mohamed Warsame was elected unanimously by the Court of Appeal judges to represent them at the Judicial Service Commission for another term in March of this year. He is yet to be gazetted after he declined through the High Court to be vetted and also through the Judicial Service Commission, stating that he is not subject to the legislative arm of the government. The other nominees have, however, been vetted and gazetted, awaiting the swearing-in. They are former Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Felix Koskei, who will represent the public at the Commission, former University Don Professor Olive Mugenda, who also represents the public, while Patrick Gishohi will be representing the Public Service Commission after Professor Margaret Kobia was appointed to the Cabinet. In the petition to the Constitutional and Human Rights Court, LSK avers that Justice Warsame has neither been sworn into office nor exempted from retaking oath as per the Judicial Service Commission Act, and that the failure to gazette his name is a great prejudice to him, the appellate court, the Commission and the Constitution. LSK sued the Attorney General, who is also a member of the Judicial Service Commission but who is yet to be sworn in, the Chief Justice and the National Assembly, while the Judicial Service Commission and Justice Warsame are listed as interested parties in the case. A lobby group had also gone to court seeking a temporary order exempting Justice Warsame from taking oath of office in accordance with the JAC Act and in turn permitting him to discharge his functions as a member of the Commission. In their petition, LSK wants an order issued restraining the Attorney General and the Judicial Service Commission from interfering with Warsame's participation in the activities and the functions of the Commission, except if authorized by law. Further, the Law Society of Kenya wants the court to declare that failure to appoint Justice Warsame is a violation of the Constitution and that he is a state officer serving a second term in office, hence should be exempted from retaking oath of office.